Yes, now we have to simplify. These are sum of irrational numbers. Here 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 plus root 2 minus 5 root 3. Now these two are like numbers, no? Root 2 and root 2. This is 3 root 2 plus root 2. 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2, this will be 4 root 2. And here plus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. This will be plus 2 root 3. Okay, isn't it? Take the like terms only. In second one, just you see 5 under root 11 into 3 root 11. This is 5 3 is 15 into root 11 into root 11. This will be 11 only. And now again magic. What is the magic of 15 into 11? Take 1 and 5 like this. Again 5 and 1, 6, 165. This is the way. Okay, can I write like this here? 15 root 5 upon 3 root 5. Root 5 to root 5 cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. What will be the answer? Answer is 5. Clear? Come on the next. A plus B into A minus B, is it this? Root 13 plus root 6 into root 13 minus root 6. This is looking like A plus B into A minus B. And what we know, what we have seen in class 8th, this is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. This is of root 13. This is of root 6. So what will be 13 minus 6? This is 7. Okay. Come on next. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square. A plus B whole square. This is looking like A square plus 2AB plus B square. A is what? Root 5. 2AB plus B square. Okay. Then root 5 square is what? 5 plus 2. Root 5 into root 3. This will be root 15 plus root 3 square is 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. These two are rational numbers and this is irrational number. Then 8 plus 2 root 15. This is your answer. Next. Root 7 minus 2 it is. So A minus B whole square looking like A square minus 2 AB plus B square. So A square minus 2AB like this plus B square. So root 7 square is 7 minus 4 root 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is what? 11 minus 4 root 7. This is the way to get. Okay. Now next two questions. Again very simple. 6 root 21. 6 root 21 upon 18 root 3. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. This is looking like this. Root 21 upon root 3, can I write like this? See, whole root. Okay. When roots are in this way, you can write in terms of whole root. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are. So what to? 1 upon 3 into root 7. This is your answer. The next similar question. 6 root 12 upon 8 root 3. 8 1s are 8, 8 to 16 root 12, no? 16 root 12 upon 8 root 3. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2. Then what to write? 12 upon under root 12 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 2 under root 4. What we can write under root 4? Like 2 into 2. 4 is your answer. Yes, the next question is you have to simplify. Okay, 3 upon root 5. Okay, root 5 is given you. It means root 5 is your irrational number and it is given in denominator. Then what is the meaning? What we know, don't try to make it any number, any irrational number as a denominator. So we have to rationalize to this thing, and by using rationalizing factor. What is root 5 is there in denominator? So root 5 is rationalizing factor. So we can write 3 upon root 5 is the number. So you have to multiply by rationalizing factor and divide it also. Multiply and divide by in this rationalizing factor. So 3 root 5 is in denominator, and root 5 into root 5 is what? This is 5. This is your answer. Okay, come on the next question. See, 1 upon 3 plus root 2 is there, and what will be its rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factor will be just like 3 minus root 2. Okay, so what is 3 minus root 2? 3 minus root 2. Take 3 minus root 2 in numerator and 3 minus root 2 in denominator also. So 3 minus root 2 in numerator, this is a plus b, a minus b. 3 into 3, this is 9, and root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. So what will be your answer? 3 minus root 2 upon 7 is your answer. Next question, 1 upon 8 plus 5 root 2. So what is your rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factor is 8 minus 5 root 2. Okay, and you have to multiply and divide both. This is 8 minus 5 root 2. In numerator, 8 minus 5 root 2 is here, and this is 8 into 8, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So 8 into 8 is 64, and 5 root 2 into 5 root 2, what will be? 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. This is 25. 25 2s are what? 50. Make it 50 here. Okay. So 8 minus 5 root 2 upon 14. This is your answer. Next question. Next question. 2 upon under root 8 minus under root 5. So what is 2 is already here. Okay. And root 8 minus root 5 it is, no? So write as it is this. And what you have to find? Its rationalizing factor. This is under root 8 plus under root 5 upon root 8 plus root 5. Multiply and divide by both. Okay. So 2 root 8 plus root 5 like as it is. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, no? So root 8 square is your what? 8 minus, and root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 5 is 5. So 2 root 8 plus root 5 upon 8 minus 5 is 3. This is the way to get. Now, this minus 2. Again simplify with help of rationalizing factor. So what is the rationalizing factor? Root 3 plus root 2. By this factor you have to multiply and divide also. This is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b whole square. And this is a square minus b square. This is a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is 3 minus 2. Now come on here. Root 3 square is 3 plus 2 root 6. Root 2 square is what? 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. This is 5 plus 2 root 6. This is your answer. Okay. Next question. If a and b are rational numbers and 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3, you have to find a and b. Okay. Now what is given to you? 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. I am taking its rationalizing factor. Its rationalizing factor is this 2 plus root 3. So by this number you have to multiply and divide, and what you have to get? A plus b root 3. Okay, this is a plus b whole square. So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so what is a? A is 2. A square plus 2a. B is what? Root 3. This is root 3. This is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. This is a plus b root 3. This and this is root 3. Okay, 2 square is what? 4 plus 4 root 3, and root 3 square is what? 3 upon 4 root 3 square is what? 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 is coming 1, no? So what will be? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 root 3 upon 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. Then what will come? See, compare it. A is equal to 7. This a is equal to 7. And 4 root 3 is equal to b root 3. Root 3 to root 3 cut, b is equal to 4. This is your answer. Now the next question is x is equal to 3 plus root 8. And first part, x plus 1 upon x you have to find, then x minus 1 upon x, then x square plus 1 upon x square. All three you have to find out. So x is given to you 3 plus root 8. Then what will be 1 upon x? 1 upon 3 plus root 8. Isn't it? Then what to do? You have to multiply and divide by which factor? What was the name? Name was rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor is 3 minus root 8, because here is 3 plus root 8 is rationalizing factor 3 minus root 8. Okay, because if we multiply these two, we will get rationalized number, rational number. Okay, numerator will be the same, 1 into this. Denominator a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A is your what? 3. B is root 8. This is 3 minus root 8 upon 3 square is 9 and root 8 is this. So 3 minus root 8. Okay, then what to do? Then you have to find first part. This is x plus 1 upon x. What is x? 3 plus root 8. Okay, plus 3 minus root 8. So 3 plus root 8. I am removing the brackets. 3 minus root 8 to root 8 cancel. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is your first answer. Come on answer number 2. X minus 1 upon x. What is value of x? That we know. 3 plus root 8. Okay. Minus, and what is value of 1 upon x? Just you see here. 1 upon x value is 3 minus root 8. This is 3 minus root 8. So what will come? Removing the brackets. 3 to 3 cut. This is 2 root 8. This is the answer. Okay. Third part. X square plus 1 upon x square. Okay. Now what is x square? Just we see. This is looking like this. Plus x is what? 3 plus root 8. And 1 upon x is what? 3 minus root 8. One method is this, no? This is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, and put value a square plus 2ab plus b square, b is root 8. Okay, plus then a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, this is 3 root 8 and root 8. 3 square is coming 9, 3 to the 6, root 8 square is 8. 3 square is 9 minus 6 root 8 plus 8. Minus 6 root 8 and plus 6 root 8. Both will cut. 9 plus 8 17 and 9 plus 8 17 again. 17 plus 17 is what? 34. This is your answer. Okay, come on the next question. See here, this is 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, and plus 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. Then what to do? Same thing, rationalizing factor, then rationalization. 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3, you have to multiply and divide by its rationalizing factor, plus 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, and this is your rationalizing factor is what now? In denominator plus sign, you have to multiply it by its rationalizing factor, 2 minus root 3. This is a plus b whole square in numerator, plus in denominator what? A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. This is a plus b whole square, no? This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2 and here root 3. 2 root 3. Here again a square minus b square. This is now a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2 root 3. So what will be? This is 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3. Here 4 minus 4 root 3 plus 3. Root 3 square is 3, no? Upon 2 square is 4 minus 3. So what will be? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 upon 1. Okay, here 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 1. Minus 4 root 3 to 4 root 3 cut. 7 plus 7, 14 is your answer.